Unibank Dream and Drive promo Asset Dankwa. First prize 2013 Range Rover Evoque. Second prize a trip for two to Dubai with $5,000 spent in cash. Third prize 10,000 Ghana cedis. Are you asking what you should do to win? You only need to deposit a minimum of 200 Ghana cedis in your current or savings account and maintain a minimum average balance of 1,000 Ghana cedis at the time of the draw. Every 200 Ghana cedis deposited in your account entitles you to a reference number for the draw. There will be monthly mini draws to select monthly winners and a final draw to select the ultimate winners for the above prizes and many more fantastic prizes. With over 70 consolation prizes from Quality Links and Supplies, everybody stands a chance of winning a prize. Prizes include sleek Techno smartphones and tablets, Samsung LCD TVs, home theaters, and many more incredible prizes. It's 3 exciting monthly draws with 3 mega prizes to be won. Don't miss out. This promo runs from August to October 2013. Call our toll-free line on 0800 155 for more details. Unibank, caring for you.